how to buy success kit tokens. This token came under the symbol of Sammy. So we all know this kid from social media. Now they just released a token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money also on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token. And don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 14 hours ago and increased by 900% in the last 24 hours, almost to 1000%. In the last 24 hours, the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's good. That's mean your investment in a safe place. As you can see, this token trending right now in the number 2 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, this is simple. Click here to copy the token address. I'm opening Function Wallet for that. Now we just log into my wallet first. So as you can see here, guys. So after that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it and hit type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see, of that token. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issue, go back to this page and try to switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most issues came from the slippage, and after that, you can go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Sammy token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.